So I thought I'd talk today a bit around passions. You know mine. But it's not everyone's cup of tea. But it doesn't really matter what passion you have got, as long as you've got one. Let's get to the rides and we'll explain more. So the other thing about passion is that it's quite unique to that person or a shared group of people, but that person has his own reason, his or her reason to like that passion. But it's when it crosses over into somebody not liking yours and trying to sort of say you should be doing that because I can't do it or don't want to do it. That's the difference. Passions are passions. Everyone should have one, but it's different when people are trying to enforce that on you. Anyway, let's get the wheel. Let's get on a ride. We'll catch up in a bit.
Yeah, well, that's the it's trust, isn't it? Like it's definitely thing, you know, where you just like bring your puppies along, you're all sitting like this. I know. I think it's something weird. Did it update recently? You were saying, wasn't it? I'm gonna. You can have like essentially a dash cam. Well, that's kind of the bit around the neck is what I've got a magnetic thing around the neck, so that's why. But I was wondering if you something on the actual wheel itself.
So the other thing about passion is that you want to do that all the time. And with what we do, it's quite public. So obviously you get more attention when it comes to what we do. Most people are nice. The majority, 90% are nice. And then you get those ones that clearly haven't got passion in their life at all. Or there's something missing, like I said earlier. And they clearly don't have something. It doesn't matter how small that passion needs to be. You need something to maintain. It can't just be work and only work. You need to have a passion outside of that you can. There's a reason why you either work or you're retired and you need to do something. You need to fill your time with something else. You know, some people it's just their kids, their family, things like that. But you need something. You need that release. You need something to be able to express yourself in some way, shape, or form. And that's the reason why I do what I do. And just look here, we're at the Danish camp and we're right on the river with the boats and this great restaurant that we come to. It's a nice, chilled 16, 17 mile ride. So waiting for breakfast and using the Osmo Nano. And I'm trying 4.3 with my wireless mic. And we're going to do the whole vlog using this little tiny camera. Pretty amazing little thing. I was definitely wrong about this. It's such a capable little tiny camera, and you have very little setup needed. All I've got today is my Insta360 tripod and stick, and the camera, and my DJI mini mic. Perfect. Let's see how it goes. We're shooting in D-Log as well, so we'll be able to colour grade after and see how that looks. Little ride as well, like just through the trees and stuff. Oh, pigeon! oh no, he can. He can. And he got under the bridge. Okay, it's not that bad.
That makes sense. And then they open, when they're done, I suppose they open it up and then plug it back into the other part of the river. Pretty cool. So I see you. I'm just doing a little circle of the thing. Come on now, you need a bit of air, mate. You need a bit of air.
So I suppose what I'm really saying is that if you've got a passion, go and do it. Go and enjoy it. Share that passion with other people. Don't let other people push their bad impressions or bad thoughts on you about what you're doing. Regardless of legalities and things like that, yes, that's one thing. But when you enjoy something like this, like I do as much as I do that, but I have respect for people around me and I have respect for their own passions. There's cyclists, like, I wouldn't necessarily do what they do or cycle the way they cycle or do things that other people like to do, golf, cricket, whatever it is, right? But it doesn't mean to say that I am the person that kind of interferes with that or says that that's the wrong thing that they should do. Do what makes you happy. I'm 53, so I've spent a long time worrying about what people thought and what I did and stuff like that. I don't anymore. But like I said, do what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy. And yeah, don't worry about it. Anyway, I will see you on the next one.